The seventh rule of a private investor is always learn how to invest or learn something new, something you do not know. When a person starts losing money, one of the serious problems is that they stop investing in education. Once when I was young and was earning a lot of money in my mid-20s, a person told me, "Listen, I'm going to Europe to study finance. Do you want to come along?" He was one of my business partners. I thought, what's the point? I'm making good money as it is. Why do I need to learn? And I did not go. That guy, a year later, became a very big businessman from the financial standpoint. And I was just getting by. I lost my bearings in the world of business. Then there was a situation recently in 2011, 8 years ago. I had already started investing in education. I met a young man. When I was 24, I didn't take any training. And he was 24 and was already making good money. He went to America to learn from some famous business coach. I asked him, "Hey, why did you spend $15,000? You're a young man. You could have gone on a trip with that money. Besides, you're single." He says, "I understood that if I did not invest that money in education, I would not be able to earn more." Exactly 1 year later, he was making more than $15,000 a month. Dear friends, I want to say that if you want to earn more, if you want to have capital gains faster, you need to learn how to invest part of your funds in education. Because education is the best investment. Let's take another simple example. One day, I went to study investments and paid for it only $500. Exactly 1 year later, I made $5,000. Calculate the capital gains. It is more than 1,000%. That young man I was talking about invested $15,000 and then he started making $15,000 a month. Do the math. He got a return of over 10,000 on the investment in education. Therefore, Rule 7 of a private investor says, always invest in investment education, or in the areas that you do not know, but in which you want to become an expert. And in the next video, you will learn some very valuable information, how people build capitals in a very short time, how people become not just millionaires and make $1 million in 3 to 5 years, but also how they have a capital of $2–3 million or more, having only earned $1 million. It will be in the next video.